Hello guys, welcome back to your traders. It's me Suleiman Khan. Today we are going to discuss gold a little bit briefly, and I will share you some things on the behalf of my previous analysis. I have showed you that these type of this is right now we have the strong areas, demands on areas for like that 1722 till 1717. This was our demanding area. For next area we can see 1680 or 1683 like that. This is the next demanding area for the gold. But right now today, what are the possible things we can see today, tomorrow, and on Friday? That what are the possibilities where we can see gold? So right now if you look at the gold market on the behalf of daily time frame chart, so you guys can see that previously when gold was falling from 1800, so gold has created two candles. You guys can see here there was a little bit dojis and pin bar candle, two bullish like the doji and pin bar candle. Then after that again gold markets gives us the bearish candle, and again market starts falling downside. Then again here you guys can see that market has start created the same these two candles as same like that doji and pin bar candle. So right now it looks like that today's daily candle would be the very much important candle for the direction of the gold in the future. So today if you are new in trading, so I'll suggest you that you should not have to trade this week. So but if you are using the tight if you are using the tight stop losses and following the money management instructions, then you have to only trade. So right now these are the possible you guys can see that there's a possibility if market will gives us the today closing at least this type of area 1717 or 1718 or like these type of areas, so we can predict that gold market can goes easily till 1730 or 1735, this type of a range. So right now I will be looking for the buy trade. The reasons I will tell you in the smaller time frame charts. So if I will open my analysis with you, you guys can see here that some areas which I have marked. You guys can see this was my possible area 1700. So right now I can see that market will be approximately will not be comes below 1705 if market will gives us the closing below 1705 on a 4-hour time frame chart or any chart. Then we can look again for the downside. But the most possibility of for the gold today, I can see that market can goes upside. The reason is just because of these candles, because whenever these type of candles created, it tells us the instability and the pressure of the buyers and the sellers to the market. So right now if I will open the 4-hour time frame chart, you will be able to see there. So right now you guys can see here that right now gold market is running on the trend line. Previously market has created here the double top, and from here market jumps towards the upside, and still though market did not comes to this area. So if market will comes to this area and gives us closing at least 1700 as I have mentioned on a daily time frame chart, then only we can hope so that market can go slightly downside and market can easily break 1700 and we can look for the 1680 target. But right now market having a lot of buying pressure. You guys can see the bullish candles, and also you guys can see here the some wicks, some that right now the bearish pressure of the market is little bit eliminated. So right now my overall market is in a selling in the selling area, but I can think so that market can goes at least 1722 or this type of areas to gives us the to gives us and to complete this whole structure. So let's see right now if I will open if I will draw some trend lines with you guys here. So you guys can see that this is the possible trend line right now gold for H4 time frame chart. So guys, previously market has created here the double top. After the double top formation, market just instantly moves upside, but and still though market has come to this trend line, market respects to this trend line. After that again market comes downside, and again market comes to trend line, and again market has given us here the bullish, a very bullish engulfing candle. But after that right now still though this candle H4 candle has not been closed, so the closing of H4 will be very much important. So but I can think so that market will slightly goes upside instead of falling downside due because there would be the two solid reasons. One was the H4 bullish engulfing, second is trend line, and third one is that market has created previously the double top on H4 time frame chart. So I can think so if market will move like that, So that would looks like, I will again draw it. So I will again draw it for your clarity, that what market is telling us on the behalf of technically. Market was falling downside, market has created here the double top, then after the sorry, double bottom. Then after that, market goes upside on the after the creation of double bottom, and market has completed, gives us the good results. After that, again market comes to the downside area, and market has respects to the trend line, and after trend line, market again goes upside, and again market has created here the downside again. It looks like little bit double bottom also, and also it looks like market has previously given us the bullish engulfing candle. So right now this H4 closing will be very much important. If market will tries to gives us the closing at least 70, below 1705 or 1704 areas, then we can only look for a sell trade. Otherwise we have the two confirmations right now, previously bullish engulfing, second one is trend line, and after this we can see that market, if market will tries to move upside, so then that would be the looks like a W pattern. Then after the market will go 1722, after the retest we can look for the at least 1732 target. So this is what I am thinking right now on the behalf of gold. So anything could be happen, it's the market. So I will suggest you right now, I have mentioned very clearly to you guys on the behalf of daily time frame chart and as for time frame chart. So you guys have to trade very wisely and follow the money management strategies. So right now if you look at on the H1 time frame chart, so again you will see here that on H1 time frame chart, previously also market was creating little bit dojis and 10 bar candles, and right now again market has lit this candle. This candle market has not given us the completely and not completed the completely the bearish engulfing. This was not a bearish engulfing properly, but this was a bullish engulfing properly. And after that, this candle will be very much important for H1. Right now the US session is also near to started. So if market will gives us closing as I mentioned below 1705 or 1704 on H4 time frame chart, that will leads gold to our 1680 or these type of areas. But most possibility is that gold market will tries to move upside. So let's hope for the best and stay blessed. Keep remember me in your prayers. Stay blessed, real traders.